There are many things in life that will catch your eye, but only a few will catch your heart. It is health that is real wealth and not pieces of gold and silver. Things to tell yourself every day. I am the best. I can do this. My future is bright. Today will be a good day. No excuse. I will work hard. I was born to do great things. People's opinion do not affect me. Life is precious. If you don't know, don't speak. An opportunity is like a basket dipped in tea. A little delay, it's gone. Give yourself a break. Don't stress too much. Nothing better than the sound of heavy rain while you are falling asleep. Most people who say I am single are silent lovers. Feeling can be controlled, but tears never lie. One of the best feelings is finally losing your attachment to somebody who is not good for you.